Hey everyone, it is a baking edition of our Tara's Must Have. I love concentric bowls. What's a Tara's Must Have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty practical and purposeful. If you've never had concentric bowls before, this is the set to get. If you already have them, you know why you love them. The fact that they all nest down, they're stoneware. Our bowls are bakers as well, one of the single biggest requests that we get. And we have great sizes, starting with our half quart. This is just under 1 quart. Then we go to 1.5 quart. Then 2.5 quart, and the largest one is your 3.5 quart. Let's talk about the silhouette. Pour spout on each. Helper handle here makes it super easy to be pouring things. These are so fantastic, and as I mentioned, they're bakers as well. So you can still bake inside here. You can still serve inside here. Cold salads, warm dips, all of the different things that you would use in your regular bowls, now to the next level because you can bake in them as well as prep in them with the pour spouts and the helper handles. All right, let's make some chocolate chip cookies. I want to show you how easy this is. Being able to measure ahead of time. First of all, where can you find this? Well, it's over at temp-tations.com. So you're definitely going to want to go over and check that out. $39.95. I'm just going to add in, nobody look, okay? Just my 2 sticks of butter. I mean, no big deal, okay? I'm gonna add in my 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna get a blend in. $39.95 over at temp-tations.com. You can check out all of the colors there. You can look, again, let's get that butter, everything incorporated. And here's what we love about stoneware, the fact that it's metal utensil safe. So you can take something as aggressive as a hand mixer and mix right inside here and not worry about scratching the sides of it. You got to keep it on now, okay? Just note to self. Not worrying about scratching the sides of it. We're going to make some chocolate chip cookies here that I'm going to tell you are super easy and one of these great recipes. So where do you want to pick this up? You want to head over to temp-tations.com. Under $40, 5 mixing bowls, 5 serving bowls, 5 baking bowls, half quart, just under a quart, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5 quart for under $40. All individually hand painted with hand applied accents. They are a must have and a go-to in your kitchen.